We're saving our edges. We're growing our edges back. Maybe it was meant to be that this whole thing was happening. Headband wig. I need to stop playing. Be back when I am Bizak. Okay.
And I don't have no more small talk left in me.
Alright, you guys. Yes, I'm looking the same because this is the same day. But I have another wig to bring to you guys to show you another headband wig. Y'all know this is the new thing. And I just want to see what all of them are going to look like. And I actually think this is a Yaki wig I got this time. So I'm super excited about that. So let's get into it. So today's wig is in collaboration with Julia Hair. Let's see what Julia Hair is talking about. They came back, revamped themselves, and now we don't have lace. So we're doing headband wigs. So when you open up the packaging, Julia Hair gives you a lot more headbands, and they're kind of like the Gucci type inspired headbands and stuff. There is 5 headbands in here. I'm gonna try them all on today so you guys can see them. A wig cap. I already have my wig caps on. If you don't want to use a wig cap, you don't have to because there's no lace. So, oh, actually, this is a long wig. What is this? This is a 26-inch Brazilian. I think this is a Waterwave wig. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have all the specs down below. I did not know I got a long ass wig like this. Okay, so when you open it up, same thing, same plastic, same fill-in. Okay, so this wig comes with a like a, I don't know, it's like a spandexy type of, but I like this, right? You know why I like this? Because there's not too much of this black thing, so I don't have to cover it up too much. And when there's too much of this material, I noticed that the wig itself goes all the way back here because obviously the material is taking up a lot of space, so it's pushing it back. But this one has a little bit of material, so the wig is going to be more forward. I really like this. This will be a good wig to wear with like your hat. So for this wig, the construction looks like this on the inside. It looks like the wigs from back in the day. This is so cool. It's crazy, like we're going back in time. It does not come with the drawstring elastics in the back. It just comes with one big comb at the top and one big comb in the back. So that's the difference between construction with this wig. I like that. I like that. It's sewn up to the top just like you would before you add your lace. So I'm gonna just put this on. I like this one. This one is made very neatly, so that's cool. I'm gonna put it on, velcro it at the back of my head, and then make sure that everything is laying perfectly in the front. I love this. I love this. This is like, it's sitting very comfortable. Wow. Okay, so this is how this one is looking. This one is longer, obviously. I like this. This is my style. So I'm going to go ahead and tie. This is giving me very much beach vibes. I like this because this is like the real throw on and go wigs. You guys know how we normally do our glueless wigs with our lace. This is literally the throw on and go wig. You just style it and you put it down, and then you can put it on whenever you're ready. I should have did my edges, but I'm putting on my lace wig, so I don't want to do my edges and do all that swooping and extra stuff. Okay, so the first headband I'm gonna try on is this black and white one. It looks like this, and then you just put it right on top. Put it right on top. So this is the first one. I like this. I like this wig much better than the other wigs that I've tried, just because it feels very secure. It's all the way in the front, and the way that the tracks are laying is very flat. So even if you flip it anywhere, you're not gonna see any tracks and nothing like that. I'm gonna wash the hair just to see, but right now it's not giving me any shedding, but it is feeling a little bit like, I don't know, it's hard for me to run my fingers through. I'm gonna try on the other headband. This one is cute. This one is like more summer vibes. I like the pink side better. I like this because it has like you could flip it onto the side that you want. And you can put it in like half up, half down. These are like the lazy wigs, but this is really cute. This is actually really cute. And when you do your edges, this is going to look amazing. Okay, I'm not doing my edges right now. I don't have time for that. They have a lot of different options. When you could even use your own headbands. If you have like your Gucci headband or your Fendi headband or just your designer headbands that you want to use, you can do that to dress it up, or however you're feeling at the moment, you could do that. But they do give you the headbands to cover up the lace. Oh, this is a cool one. This reminds me of like tropical vibes. I like this. I like this already and I didn't even try it on. Stay tuned. So I'm gonna wash the wig and I'm gonna actually do my edges. Because right now I'm not doing my edges because I'm going somewhere after this and I don't want to do my edges and then have to like glue my other wig on because that's just doing too much. But I'm gonna wash the wig and then come back with my edges all done up and stuff so you guys can see me styling it and see how it's gonna look. This is the third headband. This is really nice. Like the fact that there's no lace on this. Next one is like this sparkly type thing, the sparkly type headband. This is how this one is looking. This one is more of like a subtle one. This will go good with like a nice cute makeup look with a nice like pink dress, you know, just like giving you very much classy. Or you can do those styles where they tie the head with like a scarf and the scarf is like poking out in the back. That would be a cute look as well. Or you can do like a black headband, or I'll show you just now, hold on. So this is how this one looks. I'm gonna give you other options too. And then the last but not least is obviously they had to put in this one. This is more of like a cloth, like a, how can I say, like a cottony material. But this for the fall time is a look. All of these are a look. Like seriously, all of these are a look. This is the final headband that they provide for you. So I'm gonna show you 2 more looks that you can do just by yourself. Alright you guys, don't forget to visit these companies for their... Don't forget to visit Julia Hair for their headband wig. Okay, I need to stop playing. But yeah, don't forget to visit Julia Hair and subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you can be back when I do my edges and I'm not looking like this, okay? Don't forget to visit Tropic Touches so you can get your hair growth oil because obviously my hair grew back and my hair on my forehead is bizac, okay? I'm gonna wash these wigs and then I'm gonna come back with a second video actually showing you how it's gonna look with my edges all done up. I just wanted to come and bring this video to you guys because I'm so shook that we're doing flip over methods. Like what? When I was doing flip over methods, people were already doing their lace stuff. My first wig was a flip over method wig, so you guys know I'm gonna freak these wigs, okay? I'm gonna show you how to freak them, how to make them look real nice because I'm pretty sure people didn't even know. Most people didn't even know I was wearing, well, obviously if you know like, oh, that's not that girl right here, then you know. But most people was like, that wig was looking natural. People literally wanted to buy my wig off of my head and it was a flip over wig. So make sure you turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified when I post my other video, y'all. We are literally about to shut it down, okay? Because I love flip over method wigs, so I'm about to show y'all how to get your life together. And I know a lot of people don't like wearing frontals and stuff, so I guess this is the perfect time for you guys to go ahead and get these type of wigs so we can start working it, okay? And save our edges. Shop Tropic Touches to get your hair growth oil and stuff. We're saving our edges, we're growing our edges back. Maybe it was meant to be that this whole thing was happening so everybody can learn to accept ourselves and work on our natural hair. That was it. That was all I had to say. I was being a little bit too extra, but make sure you visit my other video. I will link it down below so you guys can check it out. It's another headband wig so you guys can see variations. The other one was a curly one. This one is like a wavy type. I actually think I'm getting a body wave one. I just want to bring different ones so you guys can see how they're looking. I mean, I'm pretty sure you guys know what they're looking because if you don't feel like doing your lace, you would put a headband on it. But I digress. This is a brand new thing that they came up with. So, well, not really they came up with because it's been a thing, but this is what we're going through right now. So if you guys want to check them out, I will have the links down below to Julia Hair. And
I don't want to sound like I'm gassing you, but you got me on some stupid shit. I swear you got me on timing. I'm sweating you for real, and I don't care who knows. I want you, but maybe too much. And I don't wanna like no more pictures on your page. Girl, let's be real. Can we skip to the part where we're in loving? I know it won't. Pull up on me and do the things that couples do. I don't have no more small talk left in me. I just wanna be your man. I just wanna be your man.
Love at first request, you had me at accept. Gotta come correct if I'm gonna be direct. You bay and I bay at the same time, baby, more or less. I'm speaking from Kevin's heart, I say it with my chest, you something different. I won't say I'm in love with you, it's a similar feeling. I'm down to make this shit a thing if you're ready and willing. Let's skip the chillin', let's get married, have gender revealings. I'm talking loads of children, you feel it?
Can we skip to the part where we're in love and I know it won't pull up on me and do the things that couples do. I don't have no more small talk left in me. I just wanna be your man. I just wanna be your man.
You know I don't mind sweating you. Call me impatient, but I want you now. Cause FaceTime isn't enough. Oh, you got a nigga that's tough. He gon' have to hold it down. Cause I wanna vibe with you. Can we skip to the part where we're in love and I know you wanna pull up on me and do the things that lovers do. And I don't have no more small talk left in me. No, I just wanna be a man.